Hi, I'm Georgia, and today we're going to do a really fun Halloween song.
We play along, come on and play along. We play along, come on and play along. We play along, and you can play along too.
So this song is called It's Halloween. So this is a sign for Halloween. Okay, cover up your face and woo, here we go. Okay, it's Halloween. So Ken wrote this song. He writes lots of songs, but he was doing a program. He goes to libraries and schools and little city events all the time, and they hired him to do a Halloween program, which he does a lot of. And he was on his way, and he was trying to think. He wanted another song where the kids would all participate. So this song is all about participation. He wanted them where they're going to be able to scream and shout, and that's what this song is about. So it goes like this. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's time. So you're going to point to your watch. It's time to let out a great big scream. So this is a sign for screaming, like your voice is coming way out there. Scream. And then everybody gets to scream. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's time to let out a great big scream. And then everybody gets to scream again. Okay. The second verse, and it always starts out the same. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's time. So what else is about Halloween? Ghosts. So you're going to take your thumb and your middle finger and your thumb and your middle finger. And this one, the top one comes out like, it kind of shakes like, woo, it's time for ghosts to all say boo. And for boo, there's no sign for that. So we're going to finger spell it, B-O-O. But when you say that, then you get to go boo. Okay, kind of scary. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's time for ghosts to all say boo. And then we all get to boo. The third verse, it's Halloween, it's Halloween, it's time to shake. So the sign for shake is like this. And your kids can get all crazy. Shake like skeletons. For skeletons, you're going to make two like fingers like this, hook hands, and go down your front like this little guy right here. Like, see the ribs there? Okay, so you're going to come down like that. Skeletons do shake, shake, shake. It's Halloween, it's Halloween, it's time to shake like skeletons do. Shake, shake, shake. Third verse, it's Halloween, it's time to laugh. Okay, so you make two L hands and you're going to come off your mouth because that's what witches do, right? They laugh, they have a weird cackle. So you're going to come off your mouth, but you have to smile when you do that. Laugh like for witch. Make a hook finger and come over your nose because most witches have that big long nose like witches do. And then we all get to laugh like cackle. It's Halloween, it's time to laugh like witches do. And then we all cackle. Fifth verse, it's Halloween. Now we're going to roar, and roar, the sign for roar is the same as scream. It's time to roar like monsters. And you have to have a scary face. Monsters roar. And we're all going to go roar. It's Halloween, it's time to roar like monsters roar. And our last verse, it's Halloween, it's time to say what trick-or-treaters do. So now trick-or-treat, there's a sign for that. So you're going to go trick, you're going to tap your index finger, trick or treat. Now treat is like a candy because that's what we want when we go to the door, right? We knock and we get our candy and thank you. All right, so it's trick-or-treaters do. And then we're going to say trick or treat. It's Halloween, it's time to say what trick-or-treaters do. And then we're going to say trick or treat. Now you can add all manner of verses to this based on what your kids want to do. We could be, it's time to walk like zombies walk. Okay, it's time to screech like black cats do, and we can all screech like a cat. Meow! Okay, think about what they're wearing for costumes. Maybe they could be, it's time to be brave like superheroes are, you know, and be all brave. So just have a lot of fun with this song. We're going to do other Halloween songs and holiday songs for Thanksgiving and Christmas, so be sure you subscribe and do share us with your friends and have a real happy Halloween.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play,